I remember the look of sheer frustration that I caused my teachers when I would ask them, when am I ever going to use this? Now, I can't blame them because I was a little bit of a punk. And I also have some compassion for them because it's not too cool to be faced with the question that maybe possibly what you're teaching is not valued and is going to be forgotten by every single person that you're teaching, pretty much. But I also think it was an incredibly valid question, and it still is, because I want to share with you some quotes about math. That's right. Don't disconnect from this video. Just hear me out. Quote, one cannot escape the feeling that these mathematical formulae have an independent existence and an intelligence of their own, that they are wiser than we are, wiser even than their discoverers, that we get more out of them than we originally put into them. That was Heinrich Hertz, who clarified the electromagnetic theory of light, and the unit of frequency known as the Hertz is named after him, a brilliant scientist. Were you taught that in math? The knowledge of which geometry aims is the knowledge of the eternal, Plato. This, therefore, is mathematics. She reminds you of the invisible forms of the soul. She gives life to her own discoveries. She awakens the mind and purifies the intellect. She brings to light our intrinsic ideas. She abolishes oblivion and ignorance, which are ours by birth. That was Proclus in 410. The understanding of mathematics is necessary for a sound grasp of ethics. That was Socrates. Is that what you were taught? Because you were taught calculating, not mathematics. You're taught to crunch numbers. You were actually taught the opposite of math. This is Henry Poincaré. Science is built up with facts as a house is with stones, but a collection of facts is no more a science than a heap of stones is a house. Here's George Boole. It is not of the essence of mathematics to be occupied with the ideas of number and quantity. Can I share that with you again? It is not of the essence of mathematics to be occupied with the ideas of number and quantity. The mathematician who pursues his studies without clear views of this matter must often have the uncomfortable feeling that his paper and pencil surpass him in intelligence. So I just share that with you so that you may be aware that what you were taught was not mathematics. So if you want to connect with the universe and understand the way that it functions,